This is an overview of the targeted skills group of types of transformations. The students will be able to identify the basic types of transformations of two-dimensional shapes. This is more designed for my higher math students. So while preparing, I watch a short tutorial from Virtual Nerd on what is a transformation. She goes through 4 different kinds of transformation. We'll be focusing on 3 of them, which is flipping, reflecting, and translating. I bring the students to the whiteboard and introduce that I can statement, which is I can transform shapes by flipping, reflecting, and translating. We go over several examples on the whiteboards, and we focus on introducing those vocabulary terms and others, such as the line of symmetry, so the students have the vocabulary to go along with those main 3 types of transformations. The students will practice with a partner by completing this activity. They're given a short or a small graph and 3 shapes on it, and they have to complete several different steps, which are translating, reflecting, and rotating those shapes on this coordinate system. They also have to do a little bit of explaining on what they did. The next day, the students work independently on completing a sheet that they have to identify whether the shape was translated, rotated, or reflected. Next day, I check in with the students by going over that sheet with them, and I have students explain their thinking as to how they determined whether or what type of transformation it was. The last part of this is their interactive practice, which I found an interactive called Shape Mods, and the students have to figure out what happened to the shape. So was it reflected, translated on the x-axis, translated on the y, or was it rotated? So they'd have to drag the box down to the bottom, and then they'd also have to determine how many units it was translated down. In the week with an assessment on, again, determining the type of transformation. 15 problems on that. And this has been an overview of the targeted skills group of types of transformations.